heavy-duty snow shovel with wheels. This shovel is adjustable handle-wise, and the blade is adjustable. The blade is a carbon steel. It's nice and strong. Pins pull out on the handle, which make it adjustable for multiple heights. The blade is adjustable. See, we don't have any snow yet, so I really can't demo this, but I can tell you this. It's light, yet it's heavily made, nice and solid, comfort grips on the handles. And just to give you an idea, even though we're on the grass, just how easy it is to push. A rubber blade on the bottom also, which is going to protect your sidewalks, your driveway. These are air tires, which are inflatable. And you know, in the cold, the air leaks out, so you can reinflate these.
This is an awesome snow shovel with wheels. It's linked below, so grab one before they sell out.